Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to another episode of the series. Thank you very much for your support, likes, subscribes. I appreciate very much what you are doing. Of course, our community is still small. Like we do every week, also this week, we will check the Bitcoin. Remember that we are waiting for the market several months. We initiate our trades. We are on profits. So we will check the CFTC report. Before doing that, I want to say a message to all of you. Of course, I know that we are not so many. However, we must believe and we must keep our tokens. And why I'm saying that, I am sure that most of you has more than Bitcoins. I mean, for sure you will have some other tokens. However, the idea that the cryptocurrency can be used as tool against inflation, I don't think is a science fiction. And this is what I believe. It's very important, guys, to have that belief. Of course, in this channel we are trading live for sure, and this is the reason that I choose the Bitcoin and so on. But in any case, the message that I want to send to all of you, I know again we are not so many. The message is that we must keep our tokens. We must believe that we can use our tokens against inflation. Because remember, that's how the market works. We must believe that the cryptocurrency will bring the revolution. And of course, I'm not talking about the revolution that we will go outside and get the guns and so on. However, it is a form of revolution, considering that you are using a decentralized instrument and you are watching how they are trying to duplicate. And if you watch Powell, they discuss for creating a digital currencies and so on. So guys, this is the moment that we have to believe in our tokens. Remember what people said when Bitcoin was a couple of cents. I don't know, many of you might be new traders, or many of you might be new token holders, or I don't know exactly if you managed to gather an entire Bitcoin. If you did, you did really well. But again, if we all believe that the prices and the market will go up, then yes, the market and the prices will go up. And yes, Bitcoin can stand against inflation. So for this week, we finally managed to get some profits. Remember what we do every week. The most important part is to check the commercial. The commercials indeed decrease their position, let's say. So the short ones is 44% versus 55%. The commercials have decreased their long positions from 514 to 449 this week. It's not a big change. However, they are holding their horses. In the overall view, remember that we are checking the chart that I'm making every week. In the overall view, we see that the short positions are keep decreasing, and we have an increase in the long positions. For the technical part, I will open my MT4. Remember, it's the same as we left it the previous week. I was expecting the prices to shoot a bit lower. At this point, this is the first significant level of retracement from this move. It seems like there must be another wave to the downside. I mean, we are still in the bearish mood. Prices need to close above 24.5, 25, 26, 37k if you want to say that the prices will keep going higher. And all these significant levels that we have marked, that are the golden ratio retracements, we need to see prices go higher. I do have a friend that is trading. We have that conversation. Of course, he's not so experienced. He does that as a hobby. He sees head and shoulders every time. So in the 4 hours, he told me to say that there's a head and shoulder pattern. So probably the prices might return. If the prices return for sure, we might see them close to 20, 21, 21.5k. Again, I'm still bullish for the moment. Our account is growing at 2% at this level. Of course, it's floating because many people do the same mistake. They believe that because they have some floating account, they are in profit. Guys, no. When the trade will close, then you will have some profits. Again, thank you guys very much for your support and your likes, your messages, everything you are sending to me. Also to people that hate Bitcoin, still I don't understand why. I mean, it's your option to follow or not follow. Again, I also recommend to not follow my trades. You know that trading is risky, especially when we have to do with leverage, and we are talking about some high leverage products here. But again, guys, I didn't expect so much views. We got another achievement at 5K. And this is very important, at least for me, because I know that most of you, you are know what you are doing. Again, guys, thank you very much. I hope I'll see you next week. And trade safe.